Central Oregon saw some serious lightning storms throughout the day, causing a few small fires. Here's a shot of a lightning bolt hitting a tree and catching it on fire. There were several lightning-related fires this afternoon in Bend and other areas of Central Oregon. Crews have responded to these fires all day. Good afternoon, I'm Lee Anderson. As of this afternoon, there have been 770 lightning strikes in Central Oregon since midnight. With the potential to start fires, those lightning strikes across the state are being closely watched. The State Department of Forestry has about a dozen cameras set up, showing land from Hood River to John Day. At the Central Oregon Interagency Dispatch Center in Redmond, Jennifer Hamilton's keeping watch. She tracks the lightning strikes, which show up in red, and then checks the corresponding cameras.
By tracking the lightning, it tells me where to put more focus, because if there's no lightning out here, I can give it a quick look and then move on to where it is.
This is one of those ones where we're kind of in that peak of fire season, and so it's pretty significant for us to be out there. We're going to send up what we call a recon plane, lightning recon, so they're going to have an aircraft. As soon as the weather breaks down and we can get the aircraft up there, they will have them out there looking for fire starts and things like that.
The Oregon Department of Forestry says the number of fires caused by lightning is down significantly this year. There have been 7 so far this summer compared to 70 last year.